wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best camera cleaning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Opteka Digital Necessity Kit comes with a soft microfiber cloth shaped like a glove, so you can protect your gear from finger smudges while you clean it. This starter set includes a small tripod to support any pieces you wish to wipe down. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and is suitable for binoculars and telescopes too. However, it could use a storage bag. At number 7, the UES Sensitive DKL7 features a lens cleaning fluid that won't leave any toxic residue on your equipment, and it comes in a reliable no-leak bottle. The sensor swabs are made of a material that attracts particles without the need for a liquid. It also includes an anti-static cloth and a slim blower that fits in tight spaces, but no brushes are included. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Delkin sensor scope comes with a device for illuminating and magnifying the surface of your sensor so you can see any debris. There's also a mini vacuum in place of a blower for loose dust, plus 24 double-sided wands for stubborn marks. The wands come in 3 sizes, and it includes a hard carrying case too. However, it is expensive compared to most. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the compact Vexko Travel won't take up a lot of space in your bag, while still providing a surprising number of tools to keep your equipment in top condition. The slim-tipped blower is tiny but effective, and it includes special pointed cotton swabs. It all comes in a water-resistant case, and there's a dust cap on the brush. The lens spray is free of ammonia. Halfway up our list at number 4, the camkix Professional includes a double-ended pen with a carbon cleaning tip that removes fingerprints or grease without the use of liquid. The air blower is made of heavy-duty rubber and sends out a stream for targeting individual specks of dust. The retractable brush stays clean, and it includes 5 microfiber cloths, along with a lens tissue for quick touch-ups. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For photographers who already own a blower and the other essentials for keeping their lenses spotless, the vsgo full frame makes for a great addition to a kit for those who want to save time and money by also cleaning their own sensors. It's packaged in a dust-free environment and includes flexible swab heads. It's suitable for full-frame sensors. At number 2, the Altura Photo Professional is loaded with high-quality tools that can make lenses look brand new, including 50 sheets of tissue paper and an extra-large magic fiber cloth. The set provides 6 sensor swabs designed for full-frame DSLRs and mirrorless bodies. It includes a hard-shell carrying case and a plant-based cleansing solution. It won't leave any streaks. And taking the top spot on our list, the Movo Deluxe Essentials is ideal for any photographer who shoots with an APS-C body, as it provides 10 sensor swabs specifically sized for that format. The powerful air blower is shaped a bit like a rocket and can stand up on its own. It comes with individually sealed cleaning cloths in a zippered case for travel and storage. The brushes are soft. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video.